There are a ton of amazing computer speakers available right now, so it can be tough to find which one is going to be best for you and your specific needs. In this video, we break down the top 5 computer speakers on the market this year based on performance and situations they'll be used in. So whether you're looking for an affordable, stylish computer speaker with great sound quality, or just the best computer speaker you can buy, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which computer speakers will be best for you, stay tuned. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. First up, the Klipsch ProMedia 2.1, our pick for best computer speakers for the money. The Klipsch ProMedia 2.1 is a 3-piece audio system that offers a lot for the money. This speaker system is THX certified with 2 satellite speakers and a subwoofer that can reach 31 Hz without bottoming out and works well with all types of media. The ProMedia 2.1 is simple to set up with a 3.5mm input and plug-and-play compatibility, so getting things going is a breeze. An easy-to-use 2-knob control pod offers simple adjustments for main volume and subwoofer gain control at your fingertips. Each satellite speaker houses a 35-watt driver to maintain clarity regardless of the audio source. Low frequencies are well handled by a THX-certified 6.6-inch side-firing ported subwoofer for full bandwidth bass response you can really feel. Stream audio from internet radio, play MP3s or CDs, and this speaker will sound the same. Gaming on these speakers delivers an amazing experience, and even though spatial differentiation is limited to just the left and right zones, the power of these speakers makes it pretty easy to figure out where a sound is coming from, and to understand the exact position of your opponents within a game. The experience transcends to movie audio as well, giving greater life to intense scenes. The room rumbles when there are a lot of low frequencies in the scene, adding to the overall realism, without overpowering the satellites. When listening to music, each note is crisp, smooth, and clear. Highs are naturally sweet without any harshness, mids are strong and warm, and low frequencies add a deep foundation that never overlaps. If you're interested in a versatile speaker system that can do it all at a reasonable price point, the Klipsch ProMedia 2.1 would be an excellent choice for you. It offers a perfect balance between high, mid, and low frequencies and high-quality 2.1 surround. In fact, everything sounds better on this THX-certified speaker system. Next up, the Audioengine A2+, our pick for best overall computer speakers. If you're looking for the overall mix of solid build quality, stylish design, great audio, and price, the Audioengine A2+ is that computer speaker, and one of the best choices in computer speaker sets for audiophiles. While relatively compact, these speakers have no problem producing clear, powerful, room-filling audio, but their small footprint will allow them to fit almost anywhere. The left speaker houses the bulk of the controls and ports that include stereo RCA, 3.5mm aux, USB, and Bluetooth, and everything is mounted on the rear of the left speaker, giving the face of each speaker a clean, uncluttered look. Setup is easy, and the only manual operation you need to complete is connecting the left and right speakers together by connecting a speaker wire up to the binding posts on each speaker. When operating in Bluetooth mode, the speakers go into pairing mode just after they've been switched on. The components of each speaker include a 0.75-inch silk dome tweeter and a 2.75-inch aramid fiber woofer. Combined with the internal amplifier, both drivers put out 60 watts of peak power, with a 65 Hz to 22,000 Hz frequency range. On the wireless side, there's Bluetooth 5.0 with support for aptics, creating a high-fidelity audio connection comparable to CD quality. Whether listening to music, podcasts, movies, or playing games, the A2+ performs flawlessly with decent, punchy bass response, while more delicate sounds are reproduced distinctly with excellent balance. The amount of power and audio fidelity packed into these compact speakers is truly surprising. Whether you consider yourself an audiophile or not, everything about the Audioengine A2+ computer speakers is positive and would definitely make a good choice for you. There are some more affordable alternatives that might work better for a lot of people watching this video, but if you were to get the A2+, you'd enjoy excellent audio quality and the versatility of the input options for great ease of use. Next, the Bose Companion 2 Series 3, our pick for great overall computer speakers. The Bose Companion 2 Series 3 is a more affordable but similar performing alternative to the Audioengine A2+ and offers a vast improvement over your built-in laptop speakers and makes listening to music, watching videos, movies, and playing games a lot more engaging and enjoyable. These speakers feature a simple volume control on the front of the right speaker that controls the overall speaker volume or headphone volume if you have them plugged in. Several inputs, including the headphone jack and an auxiliary input on the rear of the right speaker that allows you to connect an external device if you want to play music from your phone, iPod, or any other source. The speakers feature a ported design, and while they don't have the deep bass that you get from a larger speaker, they do have a satisfyingly powerful foundation, and the port enhances the low end to a degree. Overall, the sound is pretty engaging and produces good results over a wide range of musical genres. A lot of inner detail and a high level of tonal fidelity is reproduced throughout the frequency range, so voices and instruments sound rich, with a good amount of sparkle where needed in the high end, and good volume without harshness or distortion. And if you're gaming or listening to music that uses a lot of panning and other spatial effects, you won't be missing out on them with the Companion 2 Series 3. Take a seat and get ready to hear sound that seems to extend far beyond the actual speakers. It's spacious and lifelike, made possible by true space stereo digital processing circuitry. If sound quality is your main concern, and you could do without extras like Bluetooth, RGB lighting, and dedicated subwoofers, the Bose Companion 2 Series 3 would be a very good choice for you. You'll get improved sound quality, extremely easy setup, and great value for the money. If you're interested in updated pricing on any of the items mentioned in this video, be sure to check out the links below. Prices update on these products almost daily with sales and general price drops, so if you want to find the most updated information, check the description. If you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving this video a like and tell us which product caught your eye in the comments below. Next, the creative Pebble V3, our pick for best budget computer speakers. If you need to upgrade your desktop's audio and don't want to spend a lot of money while getting a solid product, the Creative's Pebble V3 computer speakers offer easy setup, the option to connect via Bluetooth or wired, and have an extremely affordable price point. The Pebble V3 consists of two orb-shaped speaker units. Each speaker houses a 2.25-inch full-range driver, and the entire assembly sits on a flat base that takes up an area of roughly 5 by 5 inches. All the controls are found on the right speaker, and include adjustments for volume and Bluetooth pairing, and a separate gain switch can be used to pump up the volume from a connected device, providing it has a 10-watt USB-C or A port. You can also stream music wirelessly using the Bluetooth connection and turn the Pebble V3 into a Bluetooth speaker. A 3.5mm aux-in jack is also provided, so you can connect up older devices that are not Bluetooth enabled. Setup is hassle-free. Plug the Pebble V3s into the USB-C port of your laptop, and you'll be enjoying improved sound right away. Switch to your phone or other device by enabling Bluetooth, and your laptop will revert back to playing audio through its internal audio system. These speakers produce good depth for their smaller stature, along with crisp mids and highs. You'll enjoy clear, intelligible dialogue audio when watching streaming services, movies, and even YouTube thanks to Creative's clear dialogue audio processing, so you won't miss a thing. If you're looking for a good set of computer speakers with good overall sound that will help to reduce the clutter on your desktop, the Creative Pebble V3 would be a really good choice for you. With their plug-and-play setup and Bluetooth support, the Pebble V3 computer speakers are a smart decision for anyone who's dissatisfied with their mediocre laptop speakers. They don't take up a lot of space and can be easily moved or put away and come at a great price point. Finally, the Logitech G560, our pick for best gaming computer speakers. These speakers are good for more than just gaming, but those specifically interested in improving their overall gaming experience will want to take a look at the immersive surround sound of the Logitech G560, as they make an amazing pair of gaming computer speakers. Sometimes, RGB is not just a gimmick. In fact, Logitech's Light Sync feature actually increases your level of immersion while gaming. Each speaker houses 6 high-powered LEDs, with 4 facing rear and 2 facing front, and you could choose between 2 control modes for the speakers. This can add a great aesthetic to your setup, and a lot of people might want to consider regardless, even if you're not specifically a gamer. Hardware control bypasses the software and uses Bluetooth or aux input devices for lighting. A rainbow color cycle acts as an audio visualizer and flashes and brightens to the beat of the music being played. Switching over to software control allows you to choose between fixed color, color cycle, breathing, audio visualizer, and screen sampler, so it's pretty versatile. The screen sampler works a lot like some of the ambient backlighting products you've probably seen. The software takes color areas of the screen and projects the color through the rear LEDs to create matching backlighting that looks quite stunning. The overall precision of the positional audio is equally impressive. You may have less than perfect experiences with virtual surround, but you'll be pleasantly surprised by the 7.1 audio and the multidimensional DTS-X sound, especially when trying to locate an opponent in-game. In addition to the desktop speakers, the system is rounded out by a powerful, down-firing subwoofer that adds new dimensions to explosions and other percussive in-game elements. If you want more in-game immersion, great sound, and a huge boost to the low frequencies, Logitech's G560 gaming computer speakers would be a great choice for you. You'll experience more realism in FPS games with the positional audio, and when a grenade explodes in the vicinity, you'll definitely feel it. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.